Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy. Hello, Mommy.
Very lovable.
What a girl. Let's come see this beautiful girl. Oh, she got it. Mommy. This is Mummy. Mummy's an adoptable cat from the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. But she is waiting for her home at PetSmart in Nashua. Over near Target off Route 101A. Come here, girl. Look at this face. Come here. She is usually running to wherever people are. She's being a little bit of a stinker right now, huh? You playing a game, are you? Well, here comes your mouse. What's that one? Who's that? Is that a ball? Come here. I want people to see you. Because she is one fabulous kitty. Up to get the mouse, you stole it from me. Mummy is fun-loving, friendly, sociable, fun to watch, adorable. I love the way you roll over on your back and put your feet up against your chest. Now she's playing a hide-and-seek game here with me. Here's, come here, girl. She likes to headbutt. She's cuddly. You know, I just can't say enough for you. And you have the face that would always make me smile. Yes, you got such an adorable face, girl. Like little toy mice? Little like dangly things? You are a wonderful girl. And she likes other cats. She lived with another cat. They were good buddies. But somebody came in and said, I want your buddy, but I can only take one kitty. So now what do I do? I'm stuck. Well, you guys have had wonderful socialization. Yeah, I'm sorry your mommy had to move to a place that they don't allow kitties. Those kind of things happen sometimes, girl. Nothing against you. But you know what? Oh, you're gonna give a massage. Oh, my back needs a massage. Could I turn around and have you do that to my back? You are one wonderful girl. Where'd it go? Go get it. Oh, don't be so lazy. There we go. Love you, Mommy. Yes. Love you, girl. Bye-bye.
You just throw it in there. Just throw it in there. Then you need to